Let's make a macrame angel. I make these with all the scrap rope we have lying around the shop. Take 5 or 6 pieces of cord and unply them all. Tie them together with a thin piece of string to make a tassel. Pin the tassel down and tie a square knot with the 36-inch piece of cord. Tie it as close to the top of the tassel as you can get. Make sure your square knot is nice and tight. Measure down about 3 inches and tie a second square knot. Then make a picot by pushing that second square knot up to touch the first square knot. Tie overhand knots in the ends to make arms. Trim the arms and then trim the tassel to the length that you like. Add a bead. I used a 3/4 inch wood bead. Use a little hot glue to attach the bead to the top of the tassel. Tie an overhand knot to make the hanging loop. You can make an optional halo with a tiny piece of scrap glued into a ring. I just attached it with a dab of hot glue. And your angel is done. Thanks for watching.